It's Bolo book time again. Welcome back, friends. If you are new to the channel, this is one of my favorite series, and it is an open hashtag. If you are a lover of books, if you love fabrics, if you love, because I do a lot of the fabric kind of things, and this series with Cath Kidston is going to be a lot of those things, textiles and such. Then this is the video for you. Whether you like to make things with fabric, whether you like to use the books in your art, in your home decor. And these two books I think you might want to be on the lookout for. So, the first is called Make, over 40 fantastic projects with 16 exclusive designs. Now, if you don't know and you didn't watch the last video, Cath Kidston is a London-based designer, and she does a lot of, probably best known for like her totes and her bags, but she also does home decor. She does a whole line of children's clothing. I was looking for a copyright date. Beautiful textiles, just a lot of, here we go. And this is from 2008. So you probably know, now this again, twofold. I haven't decided, well, I haven't actually flipped through these two books much. So these I intended solely to go into the Belle Rose, which I am designing in kind of the cottagecore aesthetic for our Airbnb. And I have not looked through it enough to know if I'm going to, oh my gosh, if I'm going to want to cut into this. Probably what will happen is I'll keep it in, but oh my gosh, look at these. Yay. It's going to be hard not to want to create with these, but I think for the short term, I will probably put them into the home decor. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Some of these are, I was just going to say, are frameable. Look at the egg cups. Those are cute. Is that a hot water? Yep, it is a hot water bottle cover. I didn't even know people still used hot water bottles. Polka dot sheets. Look at that. Look at the work. All of this is, it's blanket stitched around it. Oh, that would take forever. To do a whole set of sheets. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Lovely designs. There's an example of one of her totes. And here's her signature if you're ever out and about and you see some of her work. Now, I have found several. I have not purchased them, but I have found several in the wild, but they haven't been inexpensive. So, and that was at thrift stores and estate sales. So, oh my gosh, I would totally wear that skirt. Lovely. Oh my gosh, I love these. So this is second in a series of 3 Cath Kidston Bolo book unveilings, if you will. And if you enjoy vintage books, whether it's to display, to actually use, or sewing books, or any type of book, really, follow that hashtag, because there's lots of talented friends out there that are searching for books for all purposes using hashtag Bolo books. And you'll want to go check them out, because like I said in the last video, my friend Stacy at Junkie Cat Junction was the one that turned me onto this, and I know who she is. I did not know that, this is fun, that she had all these books. So that's fantastic. I do not know why the dog is barking. That is interesting. Zenny, come on. Zenny. Come on, baby. She rarely barks, so I don't know what she heard. And then the last one for today is called Patch. Now, unfortunately, there was a sticker on here, and I'm hoping I can get it off. But we shall see. I don't know what was on there, but this says free inside, everything you need to make this bag or cushion. But it's not in here. So whatever was in here is not there now. And I did get these secondhand, so that's not surprising. But look at that. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, this just makes me happy. There's one of her dresses. Gorgeous. Oh, this is like so hard to not want to. I almost feel like I need to go back and find 2 more so I can cut these up and put these on display, because I just feel like they warrant themselves to be in the decor. Oh my gosh. There's some more of her totes. I love that she's showing how to make all of these things. All hand stitched. Wow, the Harlequin knitting bag. Tell me what your favorite is. And if you watched the last video, tell me if any of those sparked ideas for you. Oh, I love this. Love those colors. See what I'm saying? Oh, this is totally my aesthetic, that's for sure. My mom has a beautiful, we call it the quilt room, and it's very much done in this style, and it's one of those rooms you just want to go in and sit, because it's just so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what's in the back. Well, I know I said it before, but thank you once again, Stacy, for enabling me. It was absolutely my pleasure to go look for these things. Okay, now the last one, let's see. Okay, there's the templates. That's cute. Oh, look at the yo-yo necklace. I'd totally wear that. Here's all of the stores. Let's see. Oh, I guess she doesn't have any in the U.S. I was thinking maybe she did somewhere, but no. But lots of, if you're in the UK, there you go. Lots in London, Oxford, Portsmouth, St. Ives, York, Brighton. And then these are all patchwork shops and quilt shops and such, and places in the UK that you can go. That's cool. And then the very back just has, oh, here. Let's look. The templates. Here's the sew. This one we did in the last video. This one was the one that we just looked at. And then stitch. Here's a crochet book and a knitting book as well, if you're so interested and inclined. I know we have a lot of people that like to crochet and to knit, so that might be great. Look at the back of this. Yeah, I might have to go back and get 2 more of these. I'm thinking I am. All right, well, stay tuned, because the 3rd of the series of Cath Kidston books is coming up, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did showing you, and I can't wait to flip through these a little bit more and get some creative inspiration. And again, follow the hashtag, and if you have a Bolo book that you would like to share with all of us, use the hashtag, tag me, and let's create together. We'll see you next time. Until then, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.